Welcome back to Byron Bay Alive TV. Never a dull moment here in the Shire. Here we have an amazing car show, and there's something beautiful about an old car that's been preserved so beautifully. I'm a big fan, even though I'm not a car guy. I do love looking at these machines of beauty, and man, we've got all kinds here today. I mean, I was here last year, and this one is a lot bigger. There's so many more cars here, and there you go, Holden Monaro. My father used to have one of these cars back in the day. Amazing. And it was red. Look at that. What a absolute beautiful machine. Now I love these personally, the Mustangs. I suppose if I had a choice I would buy a Mustang for some reason. But there is so many cars here today. Brunswick Heads, Northern Rivers, and it's just amazing. I mean, look at this baby. Next level. Look at this thing. Hardcore gangster style. And yeah, man, there's a lot here. All different shapes and sizes and colours. It's a picture perfect day here in Brunswick Heads for winter. Suns are shining. We just had a couple of weeks of rain, but yeah, the sun is back, and it's quite a beautiful day here for it, actually. I just love these cars. Look at that one, old school Holden. We'll go for a bit more of a walk. There's many different kinds. Goes right sort of down, further down here. Look at that one. Hot Wheels, man. Wow. Fat 36. Love that colour. I love the burgundy, rich crimson burgundy colour. And you know, the interiors of these things, it's just beautiful, picture perfect, you know. Here we have it, and there we go. Look at that orange one. And yeah, we got a lowrider. A few more down there, but we'll sign off. Car show, July, Brunswick Heads, Northern Rivers, signing off. Jason Zalu for Byron Bay Alive TV. Catch ya.